Hey, Troy here, and in this video, I want to talk about the new upgrades with the Exitus Elite system. In particular, I want to talk about the new add-on known as Email Pro Suite. Now, with Email Pro Suite, you're actually getting 3 products in one. It's a $29 a month investment. Obviously, you don't have to keep it, but I'm going to tell you right now, it is the reason why I ditched my GetResponse account, and it had everything to do with the deliverability. So what are the 3 products? The 3 products are Email Pro, Autoresponder Pro, and Broadcast Pro. So what I'm capable of doing, and I've tested this thing out. I use a secondary Gmail account when I signed up for Email Pro Suite. $29 a month, you can't beat it. And using that secondary Gmail account, not one single email of mine, right? I subscribe to my own list. Not one single email hit my junk or spam folder. The deliverability was instantaneous. I'm talking within seconds, hitting people's inboxes. With Email Pro, you're able to send individual emails. With Autoresponder Pro, you can customize and create your own autoresponders. And obviously with Broadcast Pro, you can broadcast your emails to segments of your list, your entire list. Now, with Autoresponder Pro, look, I like customizing my own emails. Some of you are wondering why you're not getting signups for whatever business opportunity you're involved in. And it's because there's 20,000, 50,000 people using the same email autoresponder as everyone else that's a member of that company. So I like creating my own autoresponders customized to me because nobody else has them. And that also can affect significantly your deliverability. So you have with Email Pro Suite all of the tracking involved in it. From the time that you send the email to seconds later, you can literally see in the back office when people are opening your emails. It lists their name, it lists, it's very thorough. You can see when they open your emails. You could see when they're watching the Exitus Elite presentation video. What percentage of the video did they watch? 25%, 50, 75, or 100%. It segmentizes the intensity of that lead. Is it a hot lead? Are they a warm lead? Are they a cold lead? Are they opening up the emails? And also the click-throughs, right? So you can see the percentage of people that are actually clicking on your links within the system. I just can't really talk enough about it. And they're getting ready to add an SMS feature to it where automatically people are going to get a text message, SMS message from you the minute that they opt in. I tested this out in a demo and everything worked flawlessly. So that's going to be happening too. Look, somewhere on this video, you're going to see a link. Go to that link. You're going to get access to Exitus Elite, see all the new advantages and updates. And you're also going to have my contact information. So if you have questions, you could reach out to me. I definitely look forward to speaking with you. And if you got some value from this video, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Once again, I'm Troy. I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.